Emofra, Memo Aquava, Ba, Twi Learning Headquarters. Twi Learning Headquarters. Twi Learning Headquarters. Yay! Eyemo Wafa. Oh! And now we're getting your friend. Wafa. Otuo. Memo Aquava. Eba. Twi Learning Headquarters. Yeah, Baba, this year, the brain. Why you crowd? Yay! Today, we are about to learn about something very nice and fun. How many of you have ever been to a farm before? Great! If you have or you have not, today we are going to learn about farm animals. Ene ye baba bisia efum emwa ana emwa owo efum. We're going to learn about animals that we see on the farm. Animals. Emwa. Animals. Emwa. Animals. Emwa. What is the Twi name for animals? What is the Twi name for animals? What is the Twi name for animals? Mo. Why are dear animals? Emwa. Animals. Emwa. Farm is a farm. A farm. A farm. The Twi name for farm is a farm. Oh, my dear. What is the Twi name for farm? Mo. Why dear? Afi, ye baba bisia, emwa ahodwa wowo efuim. We're about to learn about all the animals that you can see or find in the farm. Are you ready? Yay! All right. Now, who can tell me what this animal is? That's a rooster, right? Good job, a rooster. Now, the Twi word for the rooster is akokoberima or akoko. Akokoberima. 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 Akokoberima is the rooster. Akokoberima is the rooster. What is the rooster? What is the rooster? Akokoberima. Mo. Why ya dear? Now we are going to find the next animal. The next one is voila. What animal is this? Abuabeni. Rabbits. Abuabeni. Rabbits. What animal is this? Rabbit. What color is the rabbit? What color is the rabbit? White. White. Good job. Afi, yebabisia. Rabbits, eye adanko. Rabbits, eye adanko. Rabbits, eye adanko. Adanko no ahusuo. The color of the rabbit ahusuo eye fita. 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 Fita is white. Fita is white. Fita is white. Rabbits adanko. Rabbits adanko. Rabbits adanko. What is the tree name for rabbits?
Adanko.
What is the tree name for rabbits?
Adanko.
What is the color of this rabbit? White. What is the tree name for white? Fita. What is the tree name for white? Fita. What is the tree name for white?
Pita.
Oh, my dear. See or learn about the next farm animal. What animal is this? Good job. It's the duck. The duck. Duck. What color is the duck? White. White. The tree word for duck is double double. Double double. Double double. The tree word for duck is double double. Double double. Double double. What color is the duck? White. 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 And you already know white is fita. 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 What is the name of the duck in tree? Is double double. Double double. Double double. What is the tree name for duck?
Double double. Double double.
What is the tree name for duck? Oh, my dear. These two. What animals are these? Good job. The cow or cattle. Cow. Cow. These farm animals are cows. Okay. The tree word for cow is nenchie. 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 What noise does the nenchie make? Or what noise does the cow make? Moo. 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 The key word for cow is nenchie. 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 What is the tree word for cow?
Nenchie. Nenchie.
Oh, my dear. Cow. Nenchie. Cow. Nenchie. Cow. Nenchie. Oh, my dear. We're about to learn about this animal. Yay! Who can tell me what animal, farm animal is this? Yes, the pig. 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 The name of pig in tree is preko. 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 Preko is the tree name for pig. Say after me. Preko. Preko. What is the tree name for pig?
Preko. Preko.
Oh, my dear. What noise does the pig make? Preko no. Oh yeah. Preko. 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 Why, dear. What farm animal is this? Good job. The sheep. The sheep. What is the tree name for sheep? Ojai. 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 What is the tree name for sheep? Ojai. 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 What noise does the sheep make? Meh. 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 Good job. Afi, what is the tree name for sheep?
Ojai. Ojai.
What is the tree name for sheep? Mo. Why, dear. Sheep. Ojai. Sheep. Ojai. Sheep. Ojai. Whoa. What is this farm animal? A foam abuabeni. Good job. It is the goats. The goats. Bah. The goats. Goats is abrechre. 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 Goats. Abrechre. Abrechre. Say it after me. Abrechre. Good. More. What is the tree name for goats?
Abrechre.
What is the tree name for goats? More. Moya, dear. Goats. Abrechre. Goats. Abrechre. More. Nay. Who can tell what farm animal is this? Good job. More. This is a horse. This is a horse. This is a horse. The tree name for horse is Ponko. Ponko. Now say it with me. Ponko. 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 The horse gallops. It means the ponko etukwan. We use the horse as a means of transportation. We use it to go from here to there, from there to here. What noise does the horse make? Neigh! Neigh! Silly me. Right? So what's the name of horse in tree? Say after me. Ponko. Ponko. Oh, why, dear. Horse. Ponko. Horse. Ponko. Horse. Ponko. Mo. Why, dear. Whoa. What is this farm animal? Good. Dog. Dog. Good. Dog. Chidinde. Kramai. Kramai. Kraman. The Twi word for dog is Kraman. Say after me. Kraman. 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 What is the Twi name for dog? Say after me. Kraman. 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 What noise does the dog make? Woof, 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 woof. Yay! The dog makes the woof, woof noise. What is the Twi name for dog? Say after me. Kraman. Now, your turn. What is the Twi name for dog?
Kraman. Kraman.
What is the Twi name for dog?
Kraman.
Mo. Why, dear? Mo. The last but not the least is, who can tell me what farm animal is this? Yes, the donkey. 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 The Twi word for donkey is efunumu. Efunumu. Donkey is efunumu. Say it after me. Efunumu. Good job. What is the Twi name for donkey?
Efunumu.
Mo. Moya dear. Efunumu is donkey. Efunumu is donkey. Good. Clap for yourself. Mo. Mo. Moya dear. Mo. Those are the farm animals that we learned today. We learned about all the farm animals that we see in the farm. When you get a chance and you go to the farm, try to identify all of these farm animals in Twi. Yes? Oko afuomwa. Shese ubetimi adane edi emwoya wowo afuonim. Mo moya die. Tafofro esabeshia. Papa ene mu behia na yesua niema bebre. Mo maba me domo.